You may be surprised to find out that vision coverage under original Medicare is extremely limited. In fact, the vast majority of vision services are not covered by Medicare. So what do? How do you get your glasses or contacts? Today, I'm going to go over vision benefits to add onto your Medicare coverage to make sure that you have all of the coverage you need and, more importantly, can see the world and see your great Medicare coverage. So stay tuned. Hi, I'm Jamie Banner, and I'm the founder of Medicare by Jamie. I'm a licensed insurance agent that works specifically with people enrolling into Medicare, and today I'm going to talk to you about Medicare and vision coverage. Or rather, Medicare's lack of vision coverage. Because like I said in the intro, the vast majority of vision services are not covered under original Medicare, but that doesn't mean that we don't have vision needs. So I'm going to talk about exactly how to get your vision coverage and what might be the best option for you. Before we get started, if you find the information in this video helpful, I would appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up and subscribe and leave a comment down below. And we can look more in depth into what vision services Medicare does cover and what it doesn't cover. So when we look on Medicare.gov under the service search to see if Medicare covers, we see right away that eye exams are not covered by Medicare. You can read right here that Medicare doesn't cover eye exams for eyeglasses or contact lenses. So that's going to be your routine eye exam. It's not covered under original Medicare. If we look even further, Medicare not only doesn't cover the routine eye exam, it also does not cover eyeglasses or contact lenses. But just because Medicare does not cover these doesn't mean we don't need them. And now there are some special circumstances where these actually may be covered. This is from the Medicare and You 2020 guidebook. So one option for eyeglass coverage would be if you have cataract surgery and require special eyeglasses following the surgery. You still would be responsible for the 20% not covered under Medicare Part B, but Medicare is going to cover that 80%. And if you have something like a Medicare supplement plan, that's going to pick up the 20% for you. So essentially that's full coverage. And that's what I do. I assist people in finding the very best Medicare supplement plans. You can always give me a call. My number is 833-65-JAMIE, or you can visit my website, medicarebyjamie.com. There's no cost to work with me, and I will provide you with all the information you need to know about Medicare supplement plans. So this is one aspect of vision coverage that's covered under Medicare. Another aspect would be glaucoma. So if you are high risk for glaucoma, whether you're diabetic, have a family history, you can get a glaucoma screening every 12 months covered under Medicare. So again, that is a medically necessary service covered under original Medicare. Now, these are not the only two vision services covered under Medicare. It's best to talk to your provider, such as an ophthalmologist, to see what Medicare covers and what not. But these are just some options of what Medicare covers. But like I said, not everything is covered like routine eye exams. So getting things done like having an eye assessment, getting a prescription for contacts and glasses, and then getting those prescriptions filled is going to still fall on you, and you don't want to pay completely out of pocket for those services. So you have two options essentially, and that's going to be something like a discount vision plan or vision insurance, typically a PPO plan. And these are pretty similar, but do have some differences that you should really know about. The first one is going to be the discount vision plan. So it's very similar to a discount dental plan. It's actually usually lumped together as a discount dental plan. And this is going to be a plan with an affordable premium. So typically these premiums run under $200 for the year, and they work with a network of providers. Essentially, these plans are contracted with big major things like Lens Crafters, Eyeglasses USA, companies like this where you're going to have a network of different vision centers as well as glasses and contacts that you can get with your prescriptions at a lower cost. So these are not typical insurance plans. These are pre-negotiated rate plans. So the providers and network have a set rate that you get a discount on that's going to save you money. So it's not a 80-20 split or anything like that. These are pre-negotiated rates where you pay a portion of the cost lower than what would be at market value. So you're still saving a decent amount of money. There's no provider reimbursement because, again, this is not a typical insurance. It is just a discount plan. So you pay and that's it. the amount you pay is the amount you pay at the store, and there is no reimbursement to the provider or to you. So it's pretty easy. It's a simple transaction. And these plans typically can be a lump sum plan. Usually they include dental benefits, hearing benefits, can even sometimes include prescription benefits depending on which plan you choose. So this is what a typical breakdown of this plan would look like. As you can see, there is the cost without the plan, cost with a plan, showing you the percentage you save and how much you pay out of pocket. So each service has a different percentage, but as you can see, there's things like an eye exam, getting lenses, designer frames. So you can still get your eyeglass coverage, but at a discounted rate, which is great because you don't want to be paying for these things completely out of pocket, especially if you're getting new contacts or new glasses every 6 months to a year. It's nice to save some money and have some coverage. Now, the other option is going to be vision insurance. So these are typically PPO plans, again, usually lumped with a dental and hearing plan. So this is going to be a affordable premium, but it is slightly higher than the discount plan because it's more of an insurance plan and you get an insurance benefit, usually $1,000 to $1,500 benefit. These also are going to likely have a better, larger, wider network of providers. So you're kind of buying more providers. You're buying a larger network. These, again, are pre-negotiated rates. Usually they're going to be on what is usual and customary. So there's a rate set up with the provider, and that is what you're paying when you go in. On these plans, there is a provider reimbursement, so typically the provider can send in the claim form and be paid, or you pay up front, send in the claim yourself, and then you are reimbursed. But this is a reimbursement type plan. What's great about these plans too is they typically have an increasing benefit. So usually over the span of 1 to 3 years, your benefit's going to go up every year. So for instance, a lot of plans start out giving you a 60% benefit the first year, then 70% the second year, and then 80% the third year from there on. So you're going to end up with an 80-20 split, which is a pretty great benefit. Like I said, these are typically grouped plans with hearing and dental benefits. So it's kind of an all-in-one insurance plan. So as you can see here, this is kind of a breakdown. You're going to see the dental services, the vision services, and the hearing services. But if we look more closely at the vision, you'll see that increasing benefit for year 1 at 60 up to year 3 at 80%. There is a waiting period of 6 months to get eyeglasses or contacts, but 6 months isn't really that long of a wait, and then once that hits, you can go get eyeglasses or contacts at 60% coverage and have it increase as the plan continues. Again, both of these are great options to give you some vision coverage aside from original Medicare, either the discount vision plan or the vision insurance, but either way, it's going to give you the coverage so you're not paying for these vision services completely out of pocket. Like I said before, there are some vision services that are covered under original Medicare, but things that are routine eye tests, you're going to have this separate plan that's going to still offer you a great level of coverage and end up saving you some money in the long run. If you have any questions, you can always give me a call. My number is 833-65-JAMIE. You can also visit my website, medicarebyjamie.com, or you can send me an email at jamie@medicarebyjamie.com. If you found this video helpful, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and leave a comment down below. If you stay tuned, I'm going to give you a tour of my website and show you how to request a free Medicare supplement plan quote. There's no cost to you to work with me. I'll go over everything you need to know about Medicare supplement plans, as well as the extra benefits like dental, vision, hearing plans that you may want to add on. Thanks so much for watching. Hi, I'm Jamie Banner, the founder of Medicare by Jamie. I'm going to give you a quick run through of my website so you can easily navigate and find all the important links and information I provided for you. So when we get started, we're going to be right on the home page, and the first thing you can see is you can request a Medicare supplement plan quote. And that's what I do. I assist people in finding the best Medicare supplement plan options for them. So if you go ahead and put your zip code in there and a couple other basic pieces of information, I can get you the best supplement plan quote in your area. Once we get away from there and we go up to the top, we can see the Resource Center. So if we click on the Resource Center, we've got a couple options under there. The first one's going to be Video Library. So when we click there, it's going to take you to a page that shows you all of my YouTube videos. So all my videos will be on there along with their titles, so you can easily kind of search through them and see what video you're looking for based on your current needs. There's also a button up there that says subscribe to YouTube. So that will take you straight to my YouTube channel where you can subscribe, comment, do whatever you need, and find all the videos you need. When we go back to the Resource Center, the next link is going to say important links. And that's going to be a ton of different hyperlinks that give a lot of information, like finding doctors that take Medicare, maybe filing a claim if you had something, lots of different things that can take you out to show you things you can do for Medicare. And the last section is going to be guides and forms. Now, this one is really important. I've listed a ton of forms that are going to be very important for Medicare. Stuff like employer coverage forms if you're still working past 65, IRMA appeal forms, maybe if you need to check your Part B premium based on your income. I have all of that here, plus a lot of different informative PDFs that's going to give you as much information as you need in Medicare, because that's what we want. We want you to be completely educated on everything Medicare related so you can make the best and most informed decision. I've also got it up here where everything is divided into categories. So if you need to find something a little bit faster, just click one of these categories and it's going to narrow it down to things involved in that section. Again, if you have any questions, you can always call me. My number is 833-65-JAMIE. You can also email me at jamie@medicarebyjamie.com, or you can go to the website and hit the Contact Us button and you can send me a little information. I hope you found this video helpful and thank you for watching.